machine. I'll make a separate video with the spindle operating. We've got the carousel, the tool holders. Okay, these are the chiller units for the machine. This is, I believe, the nitrogen generator to get the oxygen out of the chamber. Okay, so underneath here you've got the material recovery system. So the material drops down into these things, these containers here. Then from those containers it goes into the sieve to be sifted and recycled into the system. Okay, in here you can see the bellows. Those are in good condition. This machine is seeing very little use. Okay, so here in the toolbox, there's the box for the Tesla meter. There's the Tesla meter with the probe attached. We've got a bunch of tooling that we're throwing in. The tooling for the Sodick process, as you are probably aware, is a different type of tooling. It's usually a lollipop style tooling with a little relief ground beyond the flute. There's a height setter. We've got Sodick software key fobs. We have, here are two of the blades. Those are not carbide, I don't believe. I think these are just steel. But on the machine right now we have brushes, the polymer or nylon brushes, not the steel blades. Okay, we've got the Mitutoyo probe, or the test indicator that we use with a Noga magnetized base. We will throw that in. We've got the demagnetizer. Here we've got, I think this is an old or a backup lens cover. I don't think it's the lens. I think it's just the safety glass covering the lens to protect it. Okay, there's the probe for the machine. Oh, there's the, sorry, there's the tensiometer for the probe that I showed earlier. Cleaning tool for cleaning the HSK spindles. And a toolbox for the stuff we can throw in. It's not a great brand, it's just a Husky, but we're happy to throw it in. So we've got some cleaning attachments. So there we've got filters. There's a carbon filter in there. I think these are spent. This is the solvent used to clean the lens. specific solvent they prefer us to use. And these are the pads for using that to clean the lens. These plates are that's the bellow for the build platen that you machine on. Grease provided by Sodick, and these are just, there's a test plate printed on it, just a block of steel that we'll take out of here. Okay, we've got tool holders. I think I counted 18 of these. These are the HSK tool holders. Okay, we have no use for these. This machine is the only one in our building that will use this style tool holder, so we're throwing all these in. These are pretty expensive tool holders, if I recall. They were like $200 to $400 each, so got quite a few of those. Okay, so we've got various odds and ends for hardware, end mills and screws that we use for holding down the work plates in the machine, and a little cabinet, and we'll throw that in. The end mills looks like some are used, but looks like some are new, so it's probably a few $100s worth of end mills in there.